Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will be showing you our final product of our PBL with PBL code PBLAN 305 with the title Asset 3D Creation Sekorot Bermelilio. Firstly, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Shalana Badani with my last name number 30. And next,
And my name is Mo Februan Tolii with my last number is 28.
And my name is Vincent Pelduta, and my last name number is 16.
firstly, let me introduce our project. The project scope is for the transitioning progress of Sekorot Bermelilio from 2D art book to the development of 3D asset creation for the showreel animation. Our project manager is Anis Rahmi SCR Com MSN and our client is KPS Animasi, Sally Artati Zega SSG MSc. The reason for our project is for the asset development from Sekorot Bermelilio from 2D art book to 3D low poly asset as the next step to the final result short animation series. And of course, we took reference from the art book Sekolah Bermelio that has been produced from the previous semester. Okay, this is the pre-production phase. The project title is Sekolah Bermelio. The genre is fantasy and adventure. The target audience is 5 to 15 years old. The output and duration. Firstly, we have 3D asset showreel video with the duration of 1 minute and 3 seconds. And secondly, we have 2D animation trailer Sekolah Bernama Lelio with the duration 1 minute and 30 seconds. The overall story of this project is Lelio who lost his friend, a blue caterpillar named Bigo that has been caught by a gray sparrow named Pipito. To find a way to bring Bigo back to their home on Acacia tree.
Okay, concept art session. Here for the character design Lilio, wherein this character is a caterpillar, red head and yellow body with black pattern on back. Next, and for the bigger character is kind of horn floral caterpillar with blue body physical feature. And next, uh, for the Pito character, the yellow tip blue on back and red tail stretch Pipito. And next, enter the environment session. This acacia tree covered in tall grass beside mountain. It hangs on the acacia tree with branch like thorn and bird built its nest. In our environment, we also create 3D asset of acacia tree for the trunk and branch of the tree.
Okay, this is the script for 2D trailer animation that contains about 13 shots. It took in person where Lilio and Bigo playing together until Bigo get caught by Pipito in search of breakfast. This is the storyboard for the animation reference. Okay, I will explain further about our production process. Firstly, we created the low poly 3D character assets, including two other more characters, Rango and Antonio. And then we created the character cutout assets for the animation, also the environment. And then we took the voiceover of character and the narrator and edit the voice in Studio One or FL Studio. And for the animating, we've done it in After Effects and OpenToonz with the application of lip sync, of auto lip sync character. And then for the post production, we add the effect animation effect, and then we do the audio mixing of voiceover, SFX, and the ground music. And then we've done the editing of animation, and we add the English subtitle and revising the animation and rendering the final output.
Next is a course implementation. First, we have 2D animation principle. where we apply of several animation principles such as squash and strength and slow in and slow out, where we can see it from Bigo and Leo. And then we have a solid drawing, art, and etc. In the movement of our characters, such as walking motion, we are using such as technique like keyframe and frame by frame. Next, we have animation effect, where we apply effect like such as wind effect alongside with lift and speed effect while Pipito is flying. Next, we have audio production, where we using software such as like VL Studio and Studio One to find our background music. First, we have background music that have genre about lullaby and storytelling with the instruments saxophone, triangle, and flute, where we find the background music from Enfanto, and the song is about a playful yet slow instrumental music, as if two friends were playing hide and seek. And we have also another background music that have genre about intense, using the instrument syn synthesizer and drum. Also, we have the same source in Enfanto. The song is about an intense song for the dramatic scene between the character and the main villain to create more tense atmosphere between Pipito when he captured Bigo. Also, we have some sound effect that we will using in the trailer, such as scene one, shot one, we using natural ambience with flowing water and birds. Shot two, dry leaf grass. Shot three, dry leaf cat two, and shot four, flying away big bird. Shot five, animal bird wing flap leather, and shot six, abstract wind howl interior, and animal bird wing flap leather. And the rest we are also using the same sound effects. We also have voiceover such as me as Lilio and Selina Ramadhani as Vigo. And also for the narrator we have Selina Ramadhani. Next is English. We add the English subtitle in both Seekor Ulat Bernama Lilio and 3D showreel video and 2D trailer animation. Next is animation physics. The application of physical law, dynamic and kinematics, gravitational force, work, energy in Pipito flight movement. Next, we have animation character. The creation of our 3D asset with the cutting of each part, such as like cutting the body part like the hand, the head, the eye, the mouth, and etc. Motion concept, the application of Laban movement analysis or LMA, while considering the physiological aspect in the movement of animated expression and the movement of the character involved, such as we also seeing Lilio, Bigo, and Pipito flying. And the final is a 3D hard surface asset where we creating a 3D low poly of all the character in our story, and also adding the 3-point lighting to our 3D showreel to improve the better visual.
And this is the final output of our tutorial.
Hai semua, aku Lilio.
Dan aku Bigo.
Dan kami akan berubah menjadi 3D loh.
Betul sekali. Proyek seekor ulat bernama Lilio sudah memasuki tahap 3D modeling loh teman-teman.
Lihat, ini adalah modelku yang masih berbentuk low poly.
Wah, itu aku loh.
Dan selanjutnya,
Ini kan.
ini adalah antagonis utama di cerita kami, Pipito.
Aduh, ganti dong.
Nah, selanjutnya, ini adalah Rengo si semut merah. Terakhir, ini adalah kakek Antonio.
Begitulah teman-teman untuk showreel model 3D kami. Selanjutnya kita akan menonton trailer animasi 2D seekor ulat bernama Lilio.
Di pagi yang cerah, saat sang raja siang terbangun, dua sekawan ulat bulu, Lilio dan Bigo, tertawa ria bermain petak umpet. Si kecil Lilio cepat-cepat bersembunyi, begitu Bigo mulai berhitung. Sedangkan di atas langit, terlihat burung pipit abu-abu, Pipito, tengah terbang mencari sarapannya. Melihat pohon akasia, ia pun berpikir akan mendapatkan sarapannya di situ. Sang burung pun melesat cepat ke arah pohon. Sementara itu, Bigo tengah asyik mencari Lilio ke sana kemari. Bisa saja di antara dedaunan, atau mungkin di ranting pohon lain. Padahal dari langit sana sudah ada yang mengintainya sebagai mangsa yang lezat.
Lilio melihat seekor burung dari kejauhan. Di saat sangat lengah, disitulah pemangsaan menerkam. Pipito langsung menangkap Bigo dengan cakarnya dan menjadikannya bahan utama untuk sarapan lezatnya. Naas, Lilio kecil hanya bisa melihat temannya dibawa pergi tanpa bisa berbuat apa-apa. Apa yang akan dilakukan oleh Lilio dan bagaimana dengan nasib Bigo?
Okay, this is the team contribution in this semester of our PBL. Firstly, my job desk is creating the 3D character assets alongside with Febri. We created the Pipito, Rengo, Antonio, and for the Febri, he created also the Lilio character. And then I created the 2D cutout asset of Bigo, Lilio, and Pipito, while Firdan created the Pipito cutout asset. And then I also created or revised the animation trailer and showreel dialogue script. I also done the environment and searching the sound effect alongside with other teammates. I'm also do the animating of Pipito frame by frame, and then I also the voice actress for the narrator and Bigo, and I've done the audio mixing of voice over of the narrator. And for Febri, he done the animation effect, the animating, and he is the Lilio voice actor. He also do the audio mixing of BGM or background music and sound effect, and he done the animating, editing until the finalization of our product. The conclusion of this project during this PBL, we've learned the process of creating low poly 3D in Blender and to the animation creation with keyframe and frame by frame techniques with implementation of courses. We also learned the audio mixing in studio software such as Studio One and FL Studio, and we do the editing and more along with the lessons provided. The seekor ulat bernama Lilio has been successfully completed with minor miscommunication and some slow progress on a few assets. This PBL result has resulted in low poly 3D assets and 2D animation trailer with an updated script and storyboard specifically for this purpose. And this is the proposal sheet with the link of it. And that's it for the showcase for today. If there is a mistake, I deeply apologize. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.